What's up everyone, Stephen Shaw here, and today we're going to be installing the trim around the closet doors and as well as the door. Yeah, just a regular door. Let's get started. First we're going to pry off the old one. I'm just going to hammer these old nails in. So we're going to have to trim the baseboard back, and we'll do that by just marking where this new trim is going to sit. Something like that. Well, that didn't exactly go as planned, but I can just nail that back on, no big deal. Eventually, this will all be replaced when the new flooring's put down. But for now, it's going to stay. So, eventually the carpet's going to be getting replaced. For now, we're just going to cut it away. All right, here we go. I want to make sure it is getting close to the bottom because I'm putting in vinyl plank flooring and it doesn't sit nowhere near as high as this carpet does. So if I don't get this down past the carpet, I could have a big gap at the bottom of this when I put the vinyl plank flooring in. I'm just going to use this as a template and cut the new piece of trim off the old one. Ugh. Mark. All right, so we got a mark. All right, here goes everything. Beautiful. You can see it's a little bit larger. So we'll just go test to see how it fits. Just a little test fit. All right, got that all the ways down. I'm gonna line it up with my reveal. And you can see up there that it can definitely be cut down a little bit. Let's give it a try, folks. Give it a try. Here we go. Give it a try. I think that's pretty good. Well, hello. How are you? Hey. What are you doing, huh? What are you doing? Hi. Hey. How are you? Okay. Thank you. So I'm going to trim this back just a little bit more. There we go. We got it that time. Perfect. So let's nail it on. All right. One down, we're just gonna have to touch it up over here a little bit. On to the next. That looks much better. Much better. What a difference.
Time for Lightning Speed Steve.
Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, please remember to hit that like button and consider subscribing if you want to see more content like this. But for now, I'm out.